Hey, this is Dylan from SlickText. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add attachments like images and videos to your mass texts. With SlickText, you can add attachments to the messages that you send your audience, including pictures, documents, videos, and vCards. While adding an attachment does take up more text message credits, most marketers find that they're worth it with the level of engagement that they can get from their audience. Let's create a campaign that sends an attachment along with our text. Let's head over to the Campaigns tab. I'm going to create a new campaign. I'll name it, and remember, this is an internal name, so your audience won't see what you call your campaign and who it was sent to. I'm going to send this to my VIP list. Here's a text that I'll paste in, and now let's add the image I want to send. You can drag the file directly into the text box, or click on the paperclip icon right here to browse your computer for the file. SlickText supports a wide range of image and video types, as well as PDFs and vCards. For the full list of file types, check out our Help Center article about attaching files to an MMS. When I drag my image into the box, I'll be prompted with this message. What this is saying is that by attaching an image, this is no longer an SMS message, it's now an MMS message. That means it's going to take up 3 credits instead of 1 to send. This is because the North American cell phone carriers have a higher fee to deliver an MMS message. It also gives me a heads up that because this is an MMS, I now have the option to use up to 1,600 characters at no additional cost. I can add a lot more content to my message now that I'm sending an MMS. Here, you'll see a preview of our message. It's important to note that the cell phone carriers do have limits to the file sizes that they'll deliver, so SlickText may compress your file to ensure it gets delivered when sent. If you think your file might be on the larger side, it's a good idea to send a test message to yourself by clicking this beaker icon. Let's go over the next screen to review our message. You'll see that one person is going to receive this message because I have one person on my VIP list. It's going to send immediately, and 3 credits are required. I can hit send, and that's it. Our image and text will be delivered together to the selected contact. Adding attachments to your messages is a great way to make your messages more interesting and engaging to your audience. Browse our Help Center for more articles and videos about using SlickText, or chat with our support team. They're experts who are happy to help.